as topic of introduction of the medical surgical nursing. Let's start this video. MSN is a specialized and skilled branch of the nursing. MSN. When medical surgical nursing is a specialized and the skilled branch of the nursing. Define MSN. MSN can be the considered to be the foundation of nursing because it has served as the launch pad to the survival interdisciplinary advanced specialization is the survival vital area specialized in survival vital area of nursing such as the cardiology, neurology, oncology, etc. Cardiology, neurology, oncology, etc. Definition of MSN. Medical surgical nursing is a specialized branch of the nursing that involve the nursing care of the adult patient. The nursing care of adult patient who disease condition are the treated. Who disease condition are treated. Medically, surgically and the pharmacologically. Medically, surgically and the pharmacology. Sharon Lewis. Pharmacology. Sharon Lewis. Medical. Surgical clinical nurse are the specialized who are the involved. Surgical clinical nurse are the specialized who are the involved in the direct clinical practice and the play is a vital role at the several stage of the treatment of the patient. They play a vital role at survival stage of the treatment of the patient. They served the responsibility of the caring for the patient before, during as well as the after the surgical intervention for the treatment of the disease. Clinical nurse responsibility. Medical surgical clinical nurse responsibility. First point, collection of the information and the setting care priorities. Collection of the information and the setting care the priorities. Second point, applying novel method of the care and the treatment modalities and their evaluation. Applying novel method of care and the treatment modality and their evaluation. As a third point, planning in the individual care. Fourth point, taking patient histories and the performing physical examination. Fifth point, ordering laboratory test and the diagnostic procedure. Ordering involuntary test and the diagnostic procedure. Criteria of the MSN specialized. Criteria of the medical surgical nursing specialized. First criterion A. MSN specialized define new competence in the discipline for the nursing practice. MSN medical nursing specialist define new competencies in the discipline for the nursing practice. Second criterion B. MSN medical surgical nursing specialized involve decision of special produces of the nursing care for the patient. MSN specialized involve decision for special producer for the nursing care for the patient. Concept of the health medical surgical nursing. Definition. Concept of the health according to WHO World Health Organization. According to the WHO World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental and the social well being and not merely the absence of the disease of the deformity. Being and the not merely the absence of the disease of the deformity. Health is a dynamic process through with a person seeks to the maintain equilibrium between physical health, mental health, and the social health. Health is the dynamic process through which a person seeks to the maintain equilibrium between physical, mental health, and the social health. Thank you, guys.